Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to increase Zong internet speed. First, confirm your Zong data package is active and has sufficient balance. Sometimes, a simple restart of your mobile device can resolve minor network glitches, so try that. Also, check your phone's signal strength. A weak signal often means slower speeds. Moving to an open area or closer to a window might improve reception significantly. These initial steps are crucial for a stable connection. Next, let's optimize your network settings. Make sure your device is configured for 4G or LTE network mode, as this provides the fastest speeds. Incorrect access point name or APN settings can severely limit your connection, so double-check them. You can find the correct Zong APN settings online. Additionally, if you are using a VPN, try disabling it, as VPNs can sometimes reduce your internet speed. Your device's performance also impacts internet speed. Close any applications running in the background, as they consume data and processing power. Regularly clearing your browser's cache and cookies can significantly improve loading times. Furthermore, ensure your device's operating system and the Zong application are updated. Software updates often include performance enhancements and bug fixes that can boost your internet experience. For more advanced optimization, you might consider a network booster application, though results vary. If you are using a Zong hotspot, try limiting the number of connected devices. Fewer devices mean more bandwidth for each. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Sometimes, contacting Zong customer support directly can help diagnose and resolve persistent speed issues, as they can check for network congestion in your area.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.